What is up, everybody? I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I figured I'd make one today while I had some spare time. I really wasn't planning on doing anything, but I figured, make a video while I'm outside walking around and crap. Knife throwing target right there. I beat that up. And a lot of you didn't know that I've been working on building me a house. I'll be right back and I will show you. Here we go. As you can see, this is old chicken coop. I'm converting it into a house. Big on the inside. Got my little homemade wheelbarrow there. A chair. Sleeping bag over in the corner. That right there's my hole and my pipe. Got me a little urinal set up there. Shut this back up for the night and get back down to it. It's all green. All green and murky. Very tempting just to jump in right now. Well, if I don't fall in. Oh, my throwing knife. Infected. So I just threw the knife and I came on down here and seen stuck right into all this slate rock. It's pretty cool. Figured while I was making this video I'd show y'all a little bit of my EDC here. Started off with my little camo knife. This is just a little knife picked up at Walmart. Got a nice little pocket clip. Half serrated blade. Hard to sharpen, but once it gets sharp, it stays pretty sharp. I love it. And I got this little Ozark Trail multi-tool. Got all the different tools. It's got a serrated blade and a straight edge blade. Got your screwdrivers, your file. A little bit of everything in there. Be real good for cutting wire. I suggest you go and get one. They're only like $5 at Walmart. Then I always have a little carabiner. I usually have my keys on it, but I ain't got my keys right now. That's good for all sorts of stuff. Then got good old-fashioned Buck 110 folding hunter. It's real good. Good sturdy knife. Really worth the money. Good lock. Clip point blade. Perfect. Then I've got my EDC pocket knife. It is Case XX, made by Carhartt, trapper style. Then, sorry, I had to pause it. My little sister came out. But next, I have just a little lighter, a little Cricut. Good for starting little fires and stuff. Keep your hind end warm during the winter. Then, next off, I've got every redneck's necessity. Got my Grizzly Wintergreen. Just switched to dark. I was doing regular wintergreen, but I just decided I preferred the dark. And I just got a regular leather wallet. Inside I've got one of these UST survival cards. bottle opener, saw, hex screw, bottle opener, straight screwdriver. It's got the blade up here, a little ruler. Pretty cool. Then I got all sorts of love letters from my girlfriend, pictures, me when I was younger. I got all sorts of stuff in there. Yeah, but I reckon this video has just about been long enough, so I am gonna get off here, and I'll be trying to make another video here for y'all soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Bye bye.